name's Adam Burns, and today I'm sitting down with Bob Shaw. He is our engineering manager at AMD, and today we're going to discuss our large mine doors and specifically the headache behind greasing these doors. So Bob, we have top bearings on our doors. They've always been a major headache to service, haven't they?
They have. They've been a major headache, and the reason for that, you have to requisition a man lift to go to the haulage way. You have to get a maintenance tech to come down and do the maintenance. You have to shut down the haulage way so the lift can get access to the bearings, and you got to clear the area. So it's a pretty time-consuming process. Not to mention, you have to put the guy at height. So now that's a safety risk.
So what's AMD's solution to the greasing issue that the clients have been facing?
So we designed a remote greasing system, which includes these stainless steel braided grease lines. These would be ran from the top bearings down to a central junction block, which is about at chest level. And this makes it so the technician can walk up to that junction block and just grease it right from floor level.
So that probably alleviates bringing the man lift down, putting that technician up on a high lift where they don't have to be as much of a safety risk when they're on that lift, correct?
Exactly.
So you mentioned the top bearings. What about the bottom bearings?
Yeah, so we've already done some improvements on the bottom bearings by lifting the bearing up out of the muck using something we call the lift bearing. But we've also included this remote greasing line to those bearings as well. That way the technician doesn't have to get down into the muck of the mine to do the greasing. He can just do it from one central location.
So that's a huge improvement for manual greasing. But I understand there's an even more advanced option.
Yeah, so the manual greasing, that's a game changer for sure, but we also offer an automated greasing system. This automated greasing system can be set to be continuously grease the bearings at either a 3, a 6, or even a 12-month interval.
So you don't need to set up monthly maintenance for greasing.
That's correct. This ensures that the bearings are continuously greased, and you can just schedule your maintenance around the timing that you set on those auto greasing.
So how does this new grease system impact overall downtime?
So you're reducing that downtime of the maintenance itself, because you're not having to wait for the requisition equipment. But you're also reducing the potential for catastrophic failure. When maintenance skipped, bearings tend to wear a lot quicker. So by introducing this new remote grease system, we are turning a 1 to maybe 2 hour chore into maybe a 2-minute process. And with the remote greasing system, you save even more time.